Hey, good morning guys. It's Mr. Allen again, and we're going to go through our FDP. Some of y'all were asking about skill builders, need some help, so I'm going to work through this one. This is skill builder number 7 if you want to look along with me. I'm just going to go through some of these steps. The first one we've got here is 2/10, okay, into 2/10, and then we want to turn this into a percentage. Now, we can look at it two different ways. One way is we learned you just move the decimal over, okay, 2 places, and that gives you 20%. But I don't just want to end there. What I also want to look at is, why are we moving over 2 places? Well, this is 2 in the tenths place. If we take this 2/10 and we multiply it by an equivalent fraction like 2 over 2, okay, then that would give us 4 over 20. If we multiplied it by 10 over 10, that would give us 20 over 100. And if you remember, 20%, okay, is going to be 20 per 100. We can move down these couple other ones and do the same thing. We can say, well, this is 3/5, okay? And I could change this to something over 10, something over 100. So in order to get to something over 10, I could multiply it by 2 over 2, which would give me 6 over 10, or 6 in the tenths place. And 6 in the tenths place is the same as 60 over 100, or 60 per 100, which is 60%. And I can move down and just keep going. 1/2. This one is usually a simple one that you look at and go, okay, what percentage is 1/2? And we're just going to say 50% is a half. But let's say you can't remember that. And let's say you can't remember how to get that to something over 10 or something over 100. What I would do is take the 2 and we're going to divide 1 by 2. It's going to look something like this. We're going to have the 2 on the outside and the 1 right here. So how many times does this 2 go into 1? Well, that'd be 0 times. But if I had a decimal, and I say, how many times does 2 go into 10? Well, that'd be 5 times. So I'm left with 0.5. And we can work down through all of these doing the same way. Move the decimal over 2 times. That's going to give me 40%. This one right here, I can multiply it by 2 over 2, which would give me 4 over 10 to make sure 4/10 is correct. And anytime that I can't remember what to do, I can just say, well, this is 2 divided by 5. And that's going to be 0 point, and how many times will 5 go into 20? 4. So that's 4/10, which is 40%. I hope this video helps, and if you have any questions, just shoot me an email and I'll walk through something else with you. Thank you and have a great day.